How to deactivate your Twitter account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can deactivate the Twitter which has been rebranded to X account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to deactivate a Twitter or your X account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the application and then make sure that you're signed into your account. After you've done that, tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen here, go to settings and support, and then just go to settings and privacy. After you come to settings and privacy, at the very top you'll find an option called your account. Make sure to tap on it, and then here at the bottom you'll find deactivate account, so tap on deactivate account. Now once you've done that, just tap the deactivate account option over here. Now just confirm your password. One thing I want you to understand is that when you deactivate your account and you don't log in within the next 30 days, your account is going to get automatically deleted. That's just how Twitter works. They don't give you the option to directly delete it, which means that if you deactivate it, you don't try to reactivate it anytime within the next month, then your account will get completely deleted permanently and you will not be able to recover that access to that account. So you want to make sure that it is not been past 30 days and just try to log in again and deactivate it again later if you think that's the option for you. This way you can deactivate a Twitter, or also known as your X account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.